Hi everyone, Sam from the Bodycentre here. As you can see, we have this gorgeous Audi R8 V10 Plus behind me. Now, we didn't wrap this car, but it's wrapped in a gorgeous khaki green, which looks awesome. It's got a real cool splitter kit fitted to it as well. But we have got it on site today to fit a massive rear wing. It's still carbon, it still fits in the stock holes. So let's get it into the workshop and get it fitted. Let's bring it closer. The original spoiler tucks down. This one, flat edges, much deeper in the middle. It's going to look so much more aggressive. Over to Nelly. So now over to Nelly, who's now going to start stripping the rear of this R8 down, removing all the trims to gain access to get onto this spoiler, so we can get it switched over and get the new one on. It's obviously going to be bolted underneath here, so yeah, let's get this one off. So Nelly's got it off already. Let me just show you what we've done. So we had two 10mm across the middle, two a bit further back. You have two multi-splines that sit in here. Once they're loosened either side, that then allows the spoiler to lift. So let's get it off now. So here we are, you can now see the underside, and Nelly's now took that bit off, so let me just put that back on a sec now. So through there, that's the little multi-spline that we took out, which goes through this hole to obviously hold it down into position. You've then got the two threadeds that go through into the actual spoiler. If you lift that off now, so they go into these. So on the new spoiler, this will then now sit on, again with the multi-spline still going through, but obviously means this is this hasn't got the Torx in here. Sorry, not the Torx, the threaded, so we're gonna have to put a different kind of screw through there to hold that on. Good job. And also, an extra little Bodycentre touch, what we're gonna do, we're gonna run if you lift that off, Nelly, on the top here, we're gonna run a little gasket round there, just to give it a bit of cushion against that wrap, and just to seal that off as well. So, we've just come up against another problem, not this guy, he is a problem, but other problem we've got. So, not wrapped underneath here, not wrapped by us, just to let you know. If you sit that down, guys, now it's not covering all the sections. So, only way, re-wrap this trim so it covers all the white up, and then we can get our gasket on and we'll be good. Problem solved. So we're now been put on a bit of a hold due to the wrap problem. The wrapper can't get here till Friday, so that's given us an extra couple of days with the car until we can get this wrap bit sorted. So in the meantime, we'll get the front bumper off, we'll get the grill out, and we'll get that black for our customer. Keep him happy. the strip and fit stage. As I explained at the start of the video, the customer did want the grille painted gloss black. As you can see, we've removed the front bumper off the car to strip the grille out, and the grille has actually already gone through at the prep shop, which Ollie, who's holding this camera, will be rubbing that down next. We also had the little issue with the putting the spoiler on where the wrap wasn't further enough under for the new spoiler stalks to cover it. So as the wrap is coming Friday to sort that out, we're also now stripping out the engine bay with the crossbars that go across the engine, stripping them out to paint them a real cool metallic red. Let's show you guys around that and how we're going to take them out. Stations, panic stations. Nelly's dropped his tool. Yes. Oh, it was a bolt. All good, all good. Crack on. So we're now back in the strip and fit stage. I can't move my hand because I've got all the boys' new coats, not thinking that I can't have branded stuff on promoted videos on Facebook. So I'm going to cover up this Nike logo. Anyway, it's also freezing in here as well, that's why I'm an Eskimo. Front bumper's now on, the grille's black. X bars have been painted red, now fitting them on. I can't wait to see this finished. So the Audi R8 is now complete. What do you guys think? I think it looks absolutely awesome. It's given the car such more of an aggressive look. Massive fan of it. Again, with the crossbars across the engine in red, look absolutely awesome. And bringing that black into the grille instead of the dark grey just finishes the car off. Please like, share and subscribe this video on all our social media pages, guys. If you're watching on YouTube, click that bell button. We will see you next time.